This video I will tell you that how to go to the recently deleted posts on Instagram. So if you accidentally uh, deleted your any post, you can actually restore it within 30 days. So I will show you with the practical example here. So let's delete this post. I will tap on three dots onto the top right, and I will tap on delete here, and then I will tap on delete. Now this post has been deleted from my Instagram profile. Then I will tap on this plus icon here. Okay, let me just okay. I will tap on these three dot lines onto the top right, and then I will tap on your activity. And if you scroll down, you will see here option which is the recently deleted option. You will tap on this one, and here you have your post. Then you will tap on this one, and then again tap on three dots onto the top right, and here it says restore. Tap on restore, and now tap on view profile, and now you can see that this post has been restored. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.